Hi guys, this is my e-portfolio. My name is Maritza Rios, and I am currently in the undergraduate program finishing up my bachelor's degree in elementary education. Basically, my e-portfolio is about my current experience, and also I'm hoping to include more information so that I may use it for my future career. So I'm going to talk about the first tabs here. It includes home, about me, experience, my education, my skills, a quote, contact information, and a blog, which is the direct link to my blog. So I'm going to take you through the page and show you a little bit about me. Through my life, I've approached every challenge with enthusiasm, creativity, and ceaseless desire to achieve success. This passion and drive have paved the way to countless opportunities, unique experiences, and exceptional relationships. A little bit more about me. I was born and raised in Dallas, Texas, and moved to Florida a few years ago. I am on my third year of undergraduate program and will graduate with a bachelor's degree. And I'm also graduating with a minor in psychology. I included some pictures through this e-portfolio just to give it a little bit of personality. So some of my experience: I'm currently a preschool teacher at the Goddard School. I am a BPK teacher for a 3-year-old. It talks a little bit about my experiences right now. And also I included my previous job. I worked at a retail store for a few years. And then I move on to education. Basically saying that I will graduate in May 2021 with my BA at the University of Florida. I also went to Hillsborough Community College for my AA. And then I transferred to University of South Florida. I included my skills, some of my communications, bilingual in Spanish and English, leadership and creativity. I also have here the direct link for my blog. This is what I wrote for my blog. Please visit the site for my blog. This was created with different assignments related to technological topics. It contains great information and some personal opinions on some of the trending topics of technology. It even gives you a little bit of a glimpse of the blog itself. And these are the topics that we have done in the class. I used the Wix application online. It's a free tool where you can create e-portfolios. It was very easy to create, and it allowed a lot of different tools. I really like this page, and I recommend it for anybody that is looking forward to creating a portfolio. So this is my portfolio. I hope you guys like it. Thank you.